of Indonesia. Wallah, every time two new one, but not from Indonesia. Coming from Holland, coming from England, coming from... Wallah, Habibi, you have 300 million people and you are bringing players from Holland, Habibi. Okay, that's good, but we respect them too much, and believe me, I don't take care about this game, what we play against Australia. This is not really a picture of your team. We know that we are coming with full respect, but we are coming with full confidence to win the game.